What is that? What? Wait. There's something inside.
Noah! Ava!
It lasted 3 seconds.
That's a new record.
Noah, Ava? Mochi found this.
A treasure bottle!
Wait, there's paper inside.
Look, it's glowing.
What is it? Be careful.
Can we open it, please? Not yet. Let's see. Hello. My name is Lily. Today is my last day in this town.
Do you think Lily was sad?
Wait. There's something on the back.
I've seen that tree before. The park has a tree like that.
Then that's where we start. What?
There are so many trees.
Just like your sketch.
And look, Mochi loves it. Wow, look at that giant tree.
I think this is it.
It looks exactly the same.
Wait. The bench isn't here.
Nice try, Mochi. Look, there's a little bridge.
This isn't Lily's tree.
Then we're still missing something.
Look, over there.
It's the drawing.
Mochi found something again.
Do you think Lily left it here?
Lily.
It's Lily.
She looks so happy. Yep. There's another note.
If you are reading this, thank you for finding my favorite place. If I ever come back, I will visit this lake again.
It says she moved to Mapletown.
That's only a few miles away.
think that's an address.
Let's find Lily.
This must be Mapletown.
Let's look for Lily. I can help. Woof! Yip!
It's the same flower.
What if it's really her?
Where did you get that picture? Are you Lily? Yes. I never thought I'd see this again. I wrote that message when I was your age. I moved away the next day. Thank you for bringing my memories home.
We're glad we found you.